Alright guys, you have read the title. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your personal car, no matter what that be, a Honda Civic, a freaking any other car that you could ever imagine. You are going to be turning that into a Tesla, dude. Anyways guys, all you'll need for this is a creative mindset, and you can pretty much do anything with that. So, alright, so yeah, that's pretty much the only thing that you're going to need. You guys are also going to need an iPad. So right there, I have the iPad Pro 10.5 inch, the older version. This is going to be sick, dude. I've always wanted a Tesla, my favorite car ever. They look absolutely amazing. No gas. Dope. Are you mad about the hole in the wall?
No, yes.
What? Guys, if you haven't seen this vlog, I ran and put a hole in the wall, like right here. I honestly thought she was gonna be way more mad than she is, because she's not. I don't know what's going on. As you guys know, the sheet ripped a couple days ago in one of my vlogs. Randomly, literally just ripped. I don't even know how. If you guys want to watch that vlog, it'll be one of these two corners. But anyways guys, yeah, this sheet is totally ripped, damaged. As you guys can see, there is the rip right there. Well, what's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? Nothing you could really do about this. I cut it all the way in half just to make it easier. But what we're gonna do with this is make our white interior inside. So we're gonna be making these seats all white and these seats back here white. If I got a Tesla, that's definitely the interior that I would get, just plain white, because I think it's just so simple and it looks super good, even though it probably isn't the best thing to have because it's white and it'll probably get dirty really fast. This is just a quick experiment just to see what it would be like to have white interior. So I don't really know how I'm going to be doing this because it's like, I don't know. What am I doing? Yikes, this looks terrible. I don't really, that looks so bad. Oh well, we're going to continue. What the hell am I doing? That looks pretty good so far. What does it look like? Dang. People are definitely walking and driving past me and they're like, what is this guy even doing, dude? But I'm making a Tesla because I'm creative. The back actually looks pretty decent, to be honest. Alright, step one is complete. We got the white interior in here. What's up guys? This is sick. Alright guys, so we got that step done. As you guys know, white interior probably looks the best in a Tesla, in my opinion at least. Hold on, I'm gonna scoot this a little bit. Here we go. Oh my god, this would be so cool if I had a Tesla. Anyways guys, so the next thing is probably one of the most important things. Okay, you're gonna need an iPad, like I said before in the beginning of the video, but we did try a magnetic strip and it did not work. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it doesn't really stick too well. I thought it was going to work way better. It's just, like, it's a really strong magnet, but it still doesn't really, like, it works. See, like, I can do it, I can move it around, but it just, like, starts to fall off. It just would not stick onto to right here. So basically what I have here is a magnetic, like, tripod right here. But we're just going to take this magnetic thing off because it didn't work, so that's a bummer. Am I breaking anything? Oh, see, that is just sketchy. I'm glad I put this little piece of tape on there. Okay guys, so what I got here is some Command brand strips. I don't even know what these are, but it says it can hold up to 12 pounds. And this iPad is definitely not 12 pounds. I think it's like a pound or something like that. So this should easily be able to do it. It says rub on alcohol with it, but I don't think we're gonna do that, to be honest. Okay, so it seems pretty simple. Just like this, and it comes with a couple. It comes with 3. Okay, cool. So how does this even work? What? Oh, they like snap on like that. Okay, guys, so I put the magnetic strip onto this. I put, as you guys know, the opposite side is like has an adhesive, so it's like magnetic and adhesive, so that should be able to stick very easily. So there's that. I'm just gonna be putting this strip on there like this. You just take it off like that, and then we're just gonna put it on like this. Bang. Just like that, guys. And then the other piece right here, just gonna take off this strip right here again. Just like that. And then putting this on the center. Again, guys, I would put the strip right here on I would put like a screen protector or something, like a piece of tape on the back of your iPad before you put this on, because it can leave like some nasty sticky residue and you don't want that obviously on your iPad. So probably the most important step that I've been dying to do. And that's pretty much why I did this entire video. So the next step is to attach it. Okay? Oh my God. We're gonna attach this on first, make it easier on us. And you just snap it on like this. And then we're gonna put the iPad on like this. It's on there. And that's working a lot. Okay, that works. It's not gonna fall. All right, guys. Oh, whoops. All right, so there is the step right here. I've been waiting to do this for a while, and I'm actually surprised that it actually sticks on there like perfect. Little wiggly, but that's, you know, it's better than it falling off like before. So I'm glad it's actually working right now. Yeah, it's working, guys. Okay, this is sick. Guys, I got the white interior too. I'm going insane. Guys, this is a Tesla. I forgot one very important step. So you actually need one of these, a charging cable. You don't have to do anything, you know, it automatically plays. And also, guys, if you have a cellular iPad, this would probably work a lot better because you can use it without using like a hotspot on your phone. Because if I wanted to use maps on this thing, then, you know, I would need to connect my phone to it. But yeah, guys, turns on when you turn the car on. So when I turn the car on, automatically turns on, dude, like a Tesla, just like that. All right, guys, the last and final step is the Tesla logo. We're gonna be putting it right here. Oh my. Hey. All right, guys, here we go, the finished product. The Tesla logo looking nice and sharp. So yeah, it's looking very nice, as you guys can see the detail and the curves. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that this probably might not even be legal to do, like use your iPad in your car. I doubt that's even legal to do. Probably should not be here, and it's probably very dangerous, but it's kind of like the same thing. It's kind of like the same exact thing as a Tesla. Like, you have it, you can obviously use this for maps. Like right here, guys, I'm using maps right here currently, and it'll be so much easier to like find where I want to go just using this. Like, you know what I'm saying? It'll be so much easier. Just if you're a cop, please comment down and let me know if this is legal or not, and that'd be dope. So yeah.